Have you ever wondered why your room gets messy over time, but never seems to tidy itself up? Or why, no matter how long you leave a cup of coffee on your desk, it never gets hotter, only colder? These are not just random phenomena, but the workings of a fundamental principle of our universe: entropy. Entropy, often referred to as the arrow of time, is a concept in the field of thermodynamics, the science of heat and work. It's an abstract notion that can be a bit tricky to grasp, but think of it as a measure of randomness or disorder in a system. Let's take the example of your messy room. When you clean up, you are putting things in order, reducing the entropy. But as time goes by, things naturally move towards disorder or a higher entropy state. Why? Because there are far more ways for things to be disorderly than orderly. Consider this. If you have a box of puzzle pieces, there's only one way to put the pieces together to create the picture on the box. But there are countless ways the pieces can be jumbled up, each one a different state of disorder. So statistically speaking, it's far more likely for the pieces to be in a state of disorder than in the correct order. That's entropy at work. Now let's think about that cup of coffee. When you first pour it, it's hotter than the air in the room. But over time, it cools down. That's because heat always flows from hotter objects to cooler ones, until everything is the same temperature. This is another manifestation of entropy. Systems naturally evolve towards equilibrium, a state of maximum entropy. Entropy is not just about messy rooms and cooling coffee, though. It has profound implications for the universe as a whole. According to the second law of thermodynamics, the total entropy of an isolated system can never decrease over time. In other words, the universe is constantly moving towards a state of maximum entropy. So, to sum up, entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness in a system. It's a fundamental principle of thermodynamics that explains why things naturally move towards disorder and equilibrium. From your messy room, to the cooling of coffee, to the evolution of the universe, entropy is a key player in the drama of existence. And remember, next time you're tidying up your room or waiting for your coffee to cool, you're witnessing entropy in action. It's not just a scientific concept, but a reality that shapes our everyday lives and the universe as a whole.